Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, as promised, we are taking the Dodge Dakota RT to the racetrack. We're going 8th mile today. I wish it was quarter, but it is 8th. It's what's open and available. There's not too much open and available right now with everything going on. And we got everything loaded up. We got our helmet, got our jacket, we got our slicks, we got a tent, we got the jack to get the slicks on once we get to the track. We're meeting a few buddies there, so this might be one of the last times that we get to see what all the little mods that we've done to this 5.9 liter Magnum engine can do. So it's nothing crazy. Like you guys know, it's got a cam, an intake manifold, throttle body, a tune, and some headers on it. So we'll see what she can do in the 8th today. And it's gonna be fully prepped, so we won't be spinning. We'll actually get some time slips unlike the last one. So let's go ahead and jump in this truck. We're gonna meet some buddies at the track. We'll go have some fun today. She's rowdy. Woo. All right, let's get out of here. All right, so we're almost here, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put some 91 in this thing before we go, and we'll get to the track. It is pretty cloudy out today, you guys. It would actually start sprinkling a little bit along the way, but it should be some decent weather, at least for California recently. It's like 68 degrees, it says. So shouldn't be too bad today. Hopefully we get some decent times out of this old girl before she might get taken apart. Okay guys, we've arrived at Speedway Drive. So this is Irwindale Speedway. I'm gonna get in here, we'll get teched, and then we'll go find our buddies and get set up. This place has Rona prices these days. $100 to run the 8th mile today. That is crazy. Normally it's like 40 bucks, but it is what it is. So we got our tech inspection form. Look at this freaking beast. That thing is nuts. So I'll get some footage of that thing running today for sure, but let me just get through tech. They gotta check the helmet. You know, usually they make sure you got one of these fire jackets and all that junk, so I'll get through that. That thing huffing away. We found the homies. What up, what up? Oh, are you running 2 bottles or what? Yeah. We'll get out of here. Kit. Is it?
Yeah, if it keeps the pressure steady.
Jeez.
Yeah, no bottle no.
What'd you run? What do you got on that slip?
I hit a 7.7 spinning.
Damn. Yeah. So I'm gonna get smoked then.
I don't know.
What up? What's going on, man? What's going on? All right, who won? Who won? Let me see. Let me see.
1972.
Did you?
Yes, sir.
How much are you making though? You got a 5.7 yours still, right?
6.1 also.
Oh, is
yes,
it?
Sir.
Damn.
Yeah, you want to check it out?
My 60 footer was better.
Let's see.
Different.
Is it?
My 60 footer was better.
Yeah, I'm gonna get smoked by everybody today. Everybody's spraying.
It's a little different than my brother's.
Is it?
Got the coil pack conversion and then the valve covers.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You still have the 5.7 manifold on it though, right?
Intake manifold only.
Yeah.
The only thing 5.7 is intake manifold and the front cover.
Oh,
for the
okay.
accessory drive.
That's sick though.
Yeah, I still got more potential with a upgraded manifold.
How much are you spraying on yours? Same, like 150?
150, yes sir.
Jeez, look at this intake. I never even noticed that.
Yeah.
That's sick. What do you do on the street though? You change it out?
No, I leave it.
Get out of here.
I leave my fog lights as my main.
No.
Yeah, my fog lights are my main lights.
You got a filter though, no?
No.
No, you're crazy.
Oh, it is right here.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Maniac. That's sick though, man. That's a badass little build. You got the skinnies on the front, and I don't stand a chance.
Running better now.
I don't stand a chance.
That landing day, horrible.
Yeah. I want to see this thing go again today. This is the one we were in at Banning, if you guys saw the last video, so. All right guys, so even though we have the slicks, I've always been curious if these 355 Pirellis, they're super wide, right? Like they're off the Viper, they're insanely wide, whether they would hook. And I think having the harder compound and the fact that they're radial, it would give us more power if we can hook. So I just want to try them for one pass before we put our slicks on, or are sitting right there. So we'll go ahead, we'll make a pass just like this and we'll see what she does. And just for reference, I have 30 PSI in these. My ears. God damn. in his Hellcat. We'll see him run today too.
Oh,
Yeah, you guys, C8. We went 7.2 in the 8th. Lots of vehicles out here. This one, if you guys haven't seen it, Yellow Jacket, that thing is super fast over there. Here we go, we got the homie rolling up against the Scat Pack.
Yeah!
Oh, he spun!
That was a good one!
Did he get him?
Ah, he's spun!
Ah. Okay guys, so we ran a 9.2, 77.8, and a 2.1 60 foot. So this thing is not fast by any means. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll put the actual slicks on to see if it makes any difference, but she definitely needs some power, boys.
Hey, you beat your time!
No, I didn't.
Yeah, 9.2s!
That's slow.
No, you were like 9.5, 9.6, or 9.9.
Either way, it's slow. I'm gonna put the slicks on at least, let's see. Okay, so we're back in staging for our second run. We got the Hoosiers mounted. Bro, tell everybody how much the Magnum sucks.
Yeah, no, it's moving.
No, moving backwards.
No.
All I saw was that Hemi. All I saw was the back of that Hemi the whole time. Too slow, man.
Yeah,
What do you think I ran? What, like a 9.5?
9.2s. 9.2s.
No, before.
Oh, before 9.5, 9.6.
I can't remember. It's been a while. I'll have to double check.
Yeah,
She's still
way better.
She's still slow though.
Magnum 5.9 for the win, baby.
For the lose. FTL. Or should it be FML?
Coming out, huh?
FML, FTL, all lose. Well, we'll fix that soon.
Hell yeah.
I just had to bring it to the track one last time, show you guys it's not fast.
No, it's gonna be doing better right now.
If there's enough time,
8.9s, 8.8s.
if there's enough time, I'd say you try to make a pass.
Oh, all right.
If you beat my time, I'll buy you lunch. That's the deal.
Like a deal.
You beat my time in the truck, I'll buy you lunch.
Hell yeah.
Hey, bro, we're gonna diet over here.
Damn. Whoa.
You guys want to talk about smog? Kev over here looks like he's a heavy smoker.
That's a biodiesel.
God damn.
Hey,
all right, look,
on the tree.
Look, if there's one thing positive of this, I treat his ass. 0.063. 0.063. Look at that, 2.1 60 foot. Jeez, this thing is such a turd. We gotta make this faster, man. Hey, you boys better come over to help with the swap, man.
Yeah. Sure.
we got some work to do. Man, look at the meat on that Hellcat. That guy's not playing. All right, I gotta check out your car with the camera. This is a legit 1320. You can barely see them. You ran 7.5, right? How many miles an hour? 93? That's not bad, man. That's not bad. What's the goal? 7.4 today?
Yeah.
That's gonna be sick. Got skinnies up front, stickies in the back, sticky Mickeys. This thing is badass. So we'll see what he can do on this run. We ran a 7.5 on the last one though, to our 9.2. We need to get that motor out of there, boys. First by accident. Damn it. That would have been a good run. Ah, that sucks. Ah, you guys, that one was my bad. Solely my bad. I forgot and I left it in first because I was doing the burnout in first. But my reaction time was on point. Check this out. 0.001 reaction time. My 60 foot was a 2.099, so we shaved I think the last one was like a 2.2 almost, right? And then I ran a 9.6, and you guys saw me obviously hit the rev limiter and then have to shift it and all that stuff. So I definitely messed up on that. So Hopefully I can get a good pass in this time. We'll see what she does. Damn, it's a big old D-ring. Let's go see what else we see. Oh man. D-Badge Hellcat. Ooh, look at that thing. Magnum. Alright, finally we get to catch up with Ryan over here. He doesn't have the SRT4 today. Something a little faster than SRT4, right? What's your best pass?
Today is 7.5.
7.5?
Yeah.
Sheesh, that's not bad.
On my everyday tires.
Is it hooking or?
It's moving.
Is it spinning a lot though or no?
Not bad actually. The prep is really nice here.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
How'd you do it at the other race? Just spinning like crazy, yeah.
This is way better for sure.
How's it do with the air ride though? Because you have air ride, right?
It's super nice.
Did it just like?
I have it set up to do the softest suspension.
Yeah.
Because I can still control the modes. So softest suspension, and the weight transfer is really nice.
Damn.
So it's good.
We're gonna have this interior soon, boys. How crazy is it gonna be to see that in the Dakota?
Dude, I can't wait, dude. That's
oh my god, I can't wait either, man. That's gonna be nuts. Again, you guys, 9.1, 0.060, so not a terrible reaction actually. Still a good reaction time. It's as good as she's gonna get, boys. 9.1, I guess. 78.54 miles an hour. How'd you do, man? You beat your time? There it is. Not bad, not bad. We're gonna watch the homie run. I don't know. Jeez. Apparently that makes up about 850 wheel horsepower against whatever JDM-ness is in that thing with a turbo. Well, even though I don't think we're gonna go much faster, clouds look like they're rolling in with some rain. We'll see how many more we get. Hopefully it misses us. Let's get it! Alright guys, we're gonna run the homie Kevin over here with the 6.1 on the bottle. Make sure we're in drive. We'll try overdrive off this time just for fun. Red lighted. It didn't feel any different, you guys, with overdrive on or off. But she's pretty consistent. I think it's only going to be a 9.1, honestly. Yeah, 9.1 again, you guys. 9.1. That's all she wants to show. 9.1, 78 miles an hour all day long. All day long. It didn't spin, that's for sure. Look at this old Plymouth, you guys. Mopar Performance. See, that's got the better bolt pattern on it, look. See how he's got the bigger runners on it? I think, so this is gonna be the LA block. Like, look at how much air he's moving in that thing. It's got trick flow heads on it too. That's what we'd have to do in the Dakota to get it to move. See, he's got huge exhaust runners coming off it, making some good power. All right, boys, so I'm gonna take off the slicks, put back on our huge stock SRT wheels, Viper wheels that is, and then we'll get out of here and we'll talk a little bit more once we get back real quick on everything that happened today. All right, guys, so we're back in the shop and I just want to lay out all of these time slips for you guys and break them down. So I mean, this truck is super consistent. It looks like 9.1 is pretty much its time, 78 miles an hour. There's another 9.1, 78 miles an hour, another 9.1, 78 miles an hour. And that seems to be what it wants to do. The only exception is this one that I messed up on where I left it in first by accident, hit the rev limiter. And then this one's a 9.2 at 77 miles an hour. So this is the one where we kept the SRT10 wheels on there, the Viper wheels. And the rest of them are all the slicks. So ran 5 runs and that seems to be the best that this thing is gonna do with the configuration. So again, if you guys are wondering the configuration, we've got a cam, custom grind cam from IMM Engines, stiffer valve springs, M1 intake, Mopar Performance, and we have a bored out throttle body as well as the Mopar Performance mid-length headers, and that's pretty much sums it up, other than, you know, obviously a tune and stuff like that. So that's the configuration, and it's got that K&N intake. But yeah, it's not a bad runner for sure, but you guys already know we definitely want more, and that's what we're gonna do. So you know, it's not gonna shatter any records in the current configuration. It, you know, if somebody wanted to take this setup further, and it sounds like there's a bunch of people that are interested in this engine to push it or take it to the next level, or just enjoy it the way it is, I would probably recommend doing something like that if you were thinking of taking this, you know, the next step, maybe some heads, some boosts and all that stuff. But like you guys already know, we're going to skip, fast forward all that stuff and just go straight to the Hellcat engine. So that stuff's coming soon, you guys. Hopefully this week I should have some good news for you guys. If you guys enjoy this type of content and this style and anything, you know, above and below or any of this stuff, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. It does help support the channel and lets YouTube know to suggest it to other people so people find our channel as well. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, check out all the other videos. We got a ton of vehicles content and stuff like that for you guys. So check that stuff out. You can support your boy by, you know, copying some merch or hitting that join button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.